Amber's switch to Air Voice Wireless brought reliable service and speedy.
Hi, my name is Amber Dethridge, and I just recently switched to Air Voice Wireless and have had a great experience so far. Since they use the AT&T network, service has been reliable for everyday calls, text, and data. The plans are affordable, and the online sign-up process was quick and easy. They also offer a good selection of phones. I chose the Samsung Galaxy S22FE, and it's been a solid phone. Fast, smooth, and exactly what I was looking for. The shipping was a lot faster than I expected. The estimated delivery time was 7 to 10 business days, but I received my phone in just 3 business days. Overall, I'd give AirVoice Wireless a 5-star rating and would definitely recommend them to anyone looking for a reliable and affordable phone service.